Alrighty folks, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. You can see where I'm at. It's telling you right behind me back there. We're at Cecil County Dragway, out here for a test and tune. Gonna see what happens. So we did, in Florida, we did update the tune. I think I said that. We added 200 RPMs to the shift points. So instead of 65, we're shifting at 6,700. So hopefully that should show up here at the track. Hopefully maybe another pound of boost at the top end. We'll have to see what happens. But look who else is here, folks. Incredible Hemi with Kong and his newly minted built 70 from Pure Drivetrain Solutions. So we're gonna keep an eye on him, and we're gonna get some runs in. So stay tuned, folks. Here we go. One more quick thing before we race. I'm kicking myself in the tail end for not getting this stuff ready last night. I forgot the Insta360, so we're back to the two GoPros on the side of the car, flipping back and forth. Sorry guys, it happens. I woke up this morning and I unhooked it from my other tripod, and I guess I just forgot to put it in the bag. But it is what it is. We're gonna get some racing. We're gonna get some footage. Let's go.
Round one.
I thought I hit it. Woo! The car says 9.8. Woo! The car says 9.8. At 143. God, I've missed the draggy. I can't believe I missed the draggy. Alrighty, thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, we're car 057 in the right lane. 145 60 foot. Woo! 6.2 to the 8th at 112. Oh, 9.723 at 144.5 miles an hour. Woo! Shake and bake is all point today, folks. We're going for some runs today. Let's go back, cool down, and come back up.
Round two.
There we go, round two. Hit that rev limiter. Hit it hard. May have to back off the tune a little bit. Yeah, we nailed that. Nailed that rev limiter that time, folks. We're definitely gonna have to back off the tune a tad, I think. Like I said, we were doing 200, added 200 RPMs to the shifts. So maybe I'll go back and add the, I think you do the 100 to the shifts and see what happens. Yeah, we started off good. I was at 147 60 foot. And then downhill from there. 8.6 to the 8th at 68 miles an hour. 15.2 at 69 miles an hour. Yeah, she wasn't happy. She wasn't happy. But that's racing sometimes. That's racing. I'll take a quick look at the log, see what it says, and maybe we'll go either back to the original shift points or to 100 and see what happens. All right, y'all saw that first run, man. That first run was awesome. Got that personal best in every category. But forgot to do the draggy. Man, kicking myself in the tail. But hey, y'all know me by now, man. These mistakes happen. But we did get that 9.72 in that first run. That second run, we did hit the limiter and hit it pretty good. So I'm gonna leave it alone. I was thinking about changing the tune, but it worked earlier this morning. We'll give it another shot. If it doesn't work, we'll call it quits for today, and then we'll probably take it back to the 100 plus 100 tune and see how that does. But for now, we're gonna leave it where it's at, plus 200, 6,700 shift points, give or take. And let's see what happens.
Round 3.
All right, folks, probably last round of the day. Says 9.9, Draggy says 9.8. Great run either way. see what this time slip got to say. Plenty of torques to kick back the sunroof. I know y'all like, some of y'all like that. Some of y'all comment, y'all like the torque kick back the sunroof. Alrighty, thank you. Alright, progressively a little worse than the 60 foot. 149, we're still in the 1.4s though, I'm happy for that. 6.3 to the 8th at 111. Oh! 976 at 145. I didn't expect that. Oh yeah, buddy. Two 97s today. Woo! The first one was a personal best. That was a 72. That was a 76. And it hit the limiter. So I'm gonna have to talk to Dave. See what we can do. Maybe raise the limiter a little bit. But yeah, baby, back in the 9s, deep in the 9s now. Just not a 996 or a 998. We're in the 9.7s, folks, 9.7s. Woo, I'm super stoked, super stoked. And we got to make a few more tweaks. I think we make a few more tweaks. I think we can get a 9.6, maybe a 9.5. But let's head back to the pits and take a time out and see what's gonna happen. All right, so let's wrap a tight little bow on today's runs. Y'all saw them, y'all heard them. A 972, a limiter run, which didn't do anything, and a 976 to back up that 972. So, Shake and Bake is on a roll, folks, and it's all because of you guys helping me out to do these modifications and get Shake and Bake rolling, folks, rolling. Super excited, man. And there's still room left because I don't know if y'all noticed it in that 976 run, I got out of it a little bit and came back into it. And then it still hit the limiter in the next shift. So I think we got room to adjust a few things, possibly. Have to talk to Dave, see what's going on, see if we can't tweak maybe the rev limiter up a little bit further, and look for maybe a 9.6, 9.5, definitely possible. But that's gonna do it for this one, folks. I appreciate you stopping in, watching the videos, going through them ads. I know it's painful, but I appreciate the support. Shake and Bake appreciates the support. But that is gonna do it for this one. If you're stopping in for the first time, please check out the rest of the channel. If you like what's going on with the rest of the channel, do me a few things. Like, subscribe, smash the bell, shoot me a comment, share it on your social media. I'll definitely appreciate it. Shake and Bake will definitely appreciate it because you know the deal. Every red penny from YouTube goes right back into Shake and Bake. That's it for this one, folks. Till the next one. Adios.